Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Anantadoshi and my research and computing topic is real-time detection of malicious PDF in Android environment using deep neural network. So moving on to the introduction, a new campaign that delivers malicious PDF file that leads to download the file malicious APK file to the user's device. So the Quick Hill security researchers have been observing these malicious PDF files that have been sent to users as an attachment through phishing emails and attachments that are designed in the way that tempts the user to open it. The PDF file contains a hyperlink that is added, which downloads the malicious APK file on the user's devices and further downloads it. At the time of Quick Hill analysis, the links are not active. The malicious APK file uses a different icon than the genuine Adobe Reader, and the malicious application uses sensitive permissions like reading contacts, SMS, call logs, contradicts along with the Adobe functionality. If the user opens the application, then it shows the Adobe Acrobat installation screen to the user, and the user believes that they are installing the Acrobat APK. But when the user clicks on Install Updates button, it hides the icon and to start the malicious process in the background. The malware checks whether the phone is rooted or not rooted. The malware contains spyware capabilities that includes tracking of SMS notifications and collects SMS numbers and sent to servers. Also, it collects the longitude and latitude information and the call status, then sent back to the servers controlled by the attackers. The malware can also have the capability to read contacts, read browser bookmarks, key logging, and to kill background processes. So, the proposed malicious PDF detection module workflow, as we can see here, there will be a distribution of the data set into two categories, that is the training PDF file and the testing PDF file. The feature extractor module will be designed using with the help of a tool named PDF ID designed by DDR Stevens. Overall, the most likely features are 21 features that will decide whether the PDF file is malicious or not. All those features are the structural properties of the PDF, which will be instilled into a convolutional neural network model, which will be developed then by in Python. This module will be then hosted into a cloud, and after hosting it on the cloud, the prediction will be conducted. This is the system implementation as we can see here. As we can see, the diagrammatic representation of the system. Malicious PDF comes into the downloads folder of the Android application in the Android system. As soon as it drops into the download folder of Android system, the Android application that we will be designing will keep an eye on that particular PDF file. As soon as Android app detects a recent malicious PDF file, it will create a copy of that particular file and will be sent via internet to the trained neural classifier, which we will be hosting it on the AWS cloud. Um, on the AWS cloud, there will be a system designed where this PDF file where the structural features of this PDF file will be extracted and will be sent to the trained neural classifier, where it will be decided whether the PDF is malicious or not. As soon as the neural classifier gets the identification of the malicious file, it will send a response back to the Android system in a Boolean format. Moving ahead with the data processing techniques, the dataset will be obtained from the Contagion malware website. On this website, there are various data sets available. From that, we have picked up a data set of malicious PDFs, which is near about 11,000 which is about near 11,000 files. All these files will be converted then to a CSV file using Python and PDF ID tool. And after the conversion of this CSV file, we will be distributing this data set into two categories, that is training dataset and testing dataset. So the overall result expected is that the system and the trained model will be tested on the testing dataset with the help of Android application. This method is supposed to provide a real-time malicious PDF detection with the lowest latency and highest accuracy. Thank you.